Listen to Annie telling about a very important person in her life. One person is very important to me, my father. For some reason, before I was 12 years old, I had been separated from my parents. They visited me frequently, but I was afraid in my childhood I was not close to them. When I was 12 years old, it was time to go to a middle school. My parents decided to pick me up to live with them and tried to find the best school for me. My mother was very busy with her work, so most of the daytime, my father stayed with me at home. He tried to play games with me. We played chess and went out for a long walk every day. My father was very handsome and humorous. He was quite different from the other people I used to get along with at that time. But he was like a stranger to me. So I was still very silent and kept my distance from him. Due to how I felt, which was a little different from other children's lives, I was quite lonely and blue in my teenage years. I didn't want to communicate with others. I had no friends because I didn't want any. My father, who has been the best teacher I have ever had in my life, taught me to be happy, positive and strong in my mind. He rebuilt my character with a lot of patience. My father told me, the atmosphere surrounding you is not as important as the inside atmosphere of your heart. Thinking in a positive way and always asking yourself, do I try my best before I give up? Comparing my life now and in the past, I see two girls with the same face but different expressions.